Now it's sketching time. All the hard work we've done throughout the day will come to fruition now. These sketches will be shared with the whole team and judged. So make sure that they are very clear and communicate your ideas in a very clear fashion. The sketch should convey a hypothesis on how we should solve the problem. In most cases, we prefer using a storyboard format. Since users move in scenes when dealing with our products, it makes sense to use a storyboard format to capture that. Of course, it is possible that your product doesn't need this format. Don't be shy to adjust accordingly. So ask your team to get a sheet of paper and divide it into 3 panes, like here. Each team member should provide at least one sketch. If someone feels especially inspired, they can provide more. So give your team about 45 minutes to sketch. Ask them to refer back to the ideas, their notes, the crazy eights, and any other material that might help them make the sketches more detailed and clear. Also, be sure to remind them of the following. First, strive to make the sketch self-explanatory. The rest of the team will be reviewing these sketches silently tomorrow, so they have to be very clear. An unclear sketch is really useless. Also, to remove any bias, ask them not to refer to themselves in the sketch. Don't write their name or any information that might lead back to them. Also, emphasize that it's okay to be ugly. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece. But try to be as neat as possible. Ultimately, it just needs to be self-explanatory. Also ask them to pay extra attention to words and avoid lorem ipsum or squiggly lines as placeholders for important titles. Good copy can go a long way. Finally, ask them to give the sketch a catchy title. This will help in referring to the sketches tomorrow when talking about them. Now get ready, take the caps off your pens, and start sketching. Finally, as a note for you as a facilitator, once all the sketching is done, ask your team members to take their phones out and take a picture of their sketches and send them to your email. Then you can upload these sketches to the art section in day 3. Hope you had a great time sketching on the PDS second day.